Hey, what's up, everybody? It's actually 4:44 a.m. today, and this is Cryptoshegz, and I've been exploring the metaverse, hopping from one metaverse to another, teleporting across board, and just having fun, meeting a lot of people, hanging out with them on social media, and then moving together with them into the metaverse and supporting their projects. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about one of the metaverse projects, you know, and this is Cryptovoxels. Cryptovoxels is it's a great place. It's a user-owned virtual world. So it's not like Facebook's Meta that is owned by Facebook, and then you come there as, as someone that is using their platform for free. This one you can actually buy property, develop your property. It's powered by the Ethereum blockchains, and players, they call them players, can buy land, build stores, art galleries, and you've got editing tools. You have your avatar, the text that you can chat, you can explore the map, you can search for galleries, you can, go through portals and see curated collections, right? So this is it. But before I do anything, I'll just quickly take you around it. Here, this is the map. If you click on that, you know, it takes you to a place where you can, have an overview of Cryptovoxels. You can buy parcels. There's a marketplace as well, support, and you can search. Okay, so this is the map. Quickly, and you can zoom out to see all the lands. Okay, explore more worlds of Cryptovoxels. All right. So you can see here that there's Little Tokyo, there's Mirage Place, Mirage Terrace, Frankfurt, Moon Junkyard, and these are the available, what I call them, places you can visit. There are 299 galleries, 50 clubs, 7 bars, there are places you can teleport, the libraries as well here, animals, shops, So I'm just getting an idea here, just looking at this, but I'm not going to talk about that right now because I need to develop on it. Okay, so basically, you will notice here that people have bought stuff and they are developing stuff. So that's what the map does. Now you can buy parcels. If you click on buy parcels, you see it says fetching parcels from OpenSea. So remember that Cryptovoxels is built on the Ethereum virtual machine. So most of their lands are sold on the secondary market. Every Wednesday they auction off land, but apart from that, okay, so it says Cryptovoxels has primary sales every week. I think it's always on Wednesdays, but you can find out more about that. But you can purchase land from the secondary market on OpenSea. So if you click this now, it takes you to OpenSea's page. I mean, Cryptovoxels front page on OpenSea. All right, so these are the current lands that are available for sale. I mean, 1.8 Ethereum you can buy, 1.9 Ethereum you can buy, 2.83 Ethereum you could buy, and as you can see, you've got your address 2029 Sapphire Terrace, 2 Serite Drive, 3 Serite Drive. So if you click on OpenSea, it takes you to the marketplace, and you can either bid for it because as you can see, it says closing in 38 hours, closing in 32 hours, closing in 39 hours. So it means you can actually bid for it. So if I click OpenSea here, or I click buy, let me write. Okay, so I can't even right click. If I click buy, it's supposed to open another page and take me to OpenSea. And then I can buy the property. So you see it says starting, initializing. Of course, I've not signed in yet, so it's going to ask me to sign in and connect my Metamask, and then of course we've got the marketplace and support. Anyway, I haven't connected my Metamask here on this browser. That's what's it called now? Ethereum. I feel a little bit groggy because I've just woken up. Okay, so that's an Ethereum, but let's just go back and complete our tour of this place. Okay, so marketplace, I think that's okay. So look at this, displaying 1 to 40 of 11,385 minted collectibles from 701 authors. Now, on the metaverse, you won't want to be walking around naked, right? My avatar has been walking around almost naked. I have some shoes that I wear, and I have my wings, you know. But if you need to buy something, buy clothes to wear, you can come and buy them. And so look at these black shoes, handbags for ladies, t-shirts for guys, you know. So these are the things you can come and buy. If you want to put on this, I don't know why my system's kind of slow. Should have shown all of these graphics here, but not a problem, you know. So these are several things you can buy, right? So that should give you an idea of what you can do in the metaverse. I'm not going to say more than that. So they've, look at this. Cryptovoxels wearables, MATC wearables, Origin City luxuries, Evil wearables. I mean, these are things you can buy. So if you can make this, there's no reason why you can't sell them. The only thing about this is that you cannot sell wearables. Well, not that you cannot sell, you cannot mint them if you don't own property. So all of these guys, all of these 701 authors are property owners in Cryptovoxels. Let me refresh and see whether this will pick up and show all of the graphics. Maybe they've not uploaded anything yet, I don't know. Anyway, so if you want to create your own and have them, and sell them on this marketplace, you will need to send them, create them, send them to an author or somebody that owns property on Cryptovoxels, and then the person will mint them and send them back to you, and then or list them for you or something, depending on your agreement with the person. Then you can go ahead and and list them here. So that's that. And then of course, before I leave this place, oops, I'll just go back. Okay, so before I leave this place, this shows everything. This marketplace here shows everything. If I'm looking for collectibles alone, then of course, I mean, you can see that it's now like, look at this, this one's fantastic. NFT Christmas tree, a Christmas NFT tree. So these are collectibles that you can buy. Here are collections. So these collections will be, more than one thing. As I mean, if from what I can see here at this point, I like this punk kit. This is cool. 40 collectibles. Let me just see what's up. As you can see here, I've not seen any recognizable brand, but I did an interview with one of my friends, Matthew. Matthew has been in this space for a long time. He used to be an MBA manager, and he did a project with. He was directly working with Dwayne Wade on his NFT project. So I was fortunate to meet him and interview him. I did a video where I interviewed him for about an hour, and I invited two of my partners, and he told us that 2021 is it's like the end of an era, because by 2022 billions from the corporates are coming into the NFT space. So I expect to see a lot of brands enter this space next year. So they will be competing with these indies. By indies, I mean individual creators. But look at this guy's stuff. Look at what he's done. He's done a bear, like a bear wearable. I said the bear, a gorilla wearable. Look at some kind of slippers. So he's got his own stuff here. And you can come and you can order for any of this. I'm making my own collection as well. But that will be for another day. So this is Punkit. This is his wallet address. And I can visit his store. Right. So I don't want to do that right now, but you get the gist. Okay. So here we have support in case you have any challenge. You can come here and get support. If you have a sensitive topic that you don't want to be read by others, you can send private message to moderators. I've not even logged in yet. So this is like a place where you can come and settle your issues or report issues, right? So I go back to the main uh place, right? So look at this place now. Here you will see traffic, you know, traffic. I mean, if I click today, I can see how many people have been to some of these places today, you know, week, a month, all. And on the metaverse, you want to do extremely well. If you want to succeed on the metaverse, you need traffic. Traffic will improve the value of your property after you have bought and built. I can see this is definitely a desperate ape wife. Anyway, so MetaDAO, these guys are doing extremely well. Okay, so it's a crypto airdrop space, and they have the email address. They're doing well. They have a lot of visitors. These are my friends, Blockchain Boutique. They've got 1,520 visitors. Emporium, Dave Corp, Yacht Club. But if you look at what's happening here, you will see that a lot of development has been going on. All right, so see screenshots. Right, this is someone's property. I mean, this is another person's gallery. Galleries are a lot on the metaverse, so if you're going to have your own gallery, just know that you're in for some competition. But then the beautiful thing about them is going to be unique because you can come and display your artworks in there, which nobody else or very few other people may have. So this is my friend as well, Plug Boy, and he's doing this NFT Europe. I'll check it out later. Okay, so I mean, look, this should give you an idea of what is going on in the metaverse. I mean, look at this guy, construction, Akaku Street. I mean, they actually brought this earth mover, you know. Right, so that's it. This is how everybody looks at the moment. This is how everybody looks at the moment, and then you can wear stuff, you know. But majority of the people on the metaverse are still roaming around naked. Okay, so if you see anybody all white like this is a naked human being. All right. Now look at this guy. He's got these wings. He's a purple freak. He's wearing a chain. But that should give you an idea of what's going on. I mean, look at this. This is I mean, this NFT Clubhouse Europe is really dope. And I'm going to be doing. I mean, look at it here again. I'm going to be visiting very soon. All right. So at the bottom here is about Wiki. Wiki just gives you an idea of how to use, how to you know how to get familiar with Cryptovoxels, the present team, and then Carbon Offset. All right, so that's it. Noland Consulting Limited, building virtual worlds. So this tells me this is a centralized organization because it's a consulting. You know. But that's not what we're about today. That's not what I'm doing. But Cryptovoxels is a decentralized metaverse. Right. So before I leave, you can check them out. They've got their Discord, they've got their Reddit, they've got their Twitter, and I think, although I wouldn't do this, but you can get it on Google Play, you know. And the reason why is because I mean, I don't have any massive experience yet on Cryptovoxels, but I want my experience to be enjoyable as much as possible, you know. So I'm not going to recommend that you do it on a small, gadget. Anyway, so finally, before I leave, I'll just show you how to sign in. Just come here, click sign in, and the moment you click sign in, what's going to happen is it's going to bring out something and tell you to collect your wallet. So, I mean, remember, this is a decentralized platform, so you're not going to put your name and email and phone number, all of those Web 2.0 stuff. No. All you're going to do is, boom, if you have Metamask, boom, connect your Metamask. If you don't have Metamask, what you can do is, I mean, apparently I don't have Metamask on Opera. So if I click this now, it's going to take me to Metamask website where it's going to ask me to, let me just do it. It's going to ask me to create a Metamask wallet. And then, of course, once I have a Metamask wallet, I get my address. You see, but that's what it's doing. It's taking me to Google Chrome. But this is on Opera. All right. So let's just see what's going to happen. Creating a Metamask wallet is actually very simple. it's something you can do in like 3 to 5 minutes. It's not a big deal at all. What you just want to do when you create a MetaMask wallet is to make sure that your seed phrase is secured. Write it down on several sheets of paper and put them in different places, because the moment anybody gets hold of your seed phrase, you're messed up. They will take over your account if the person is a criminal. All right, so you can see this is MetaMask. This is the original website. I like to go to the source. So if I'm going to download MetaMask here, I will just click this and go to metamask.io. All right, but as you can see, I can click add to Opera. This is the Google Chrome web store, but it's giving me the option to add to Opera. That means that the extension has been configured to work with Opera. All right, so that's it. The moment you create your account, you can now move money from your wallet on a centralized exchange, say like Binance or KuCoin or Kraken, Crypto.com, Huobi, Coinbase, and move the money into your MetaMask wallet. And then you come back to Cryptovoxels. It will connect your wallet to your Cryptovoxels account. And then once it does that, you will have to sign and permit it, and then it will connect. Okay, so with that done, let me just go back, because I'm doing this now on an account that I'm not logged in. So I'll just go to my Google Chrome browser now. It's dark theme, so it's going to be a lot darker than this. All of these white spaces here on my Google Chrome will be black, but let me take you to Cryptovoxels on Google Chrome. And okay, so as you can see, I've connected my wallet. This is Cryptoshegz, and this parcels, spaces, collectibles that I have, and I can sign out. Okay, so because of all of this browser, all these tabs that are open on my browser, sometimes it gets a little bit slow. But that is okay, because from here, I mean, look at this. It's fantastic. You can get a lot of collectibles. So many events are going on, and if you don't have too much money to, excuse me, I'm just waking up. Pardon me. If you don't have too much money to accumulate stuff, if you don't have money to buy land, if you don't, whatever it is, attend a lot of these events. I mean, look at this: sign in, get a police car, happening now. Ends 4:19 a.m. on Monday. Sign in, get a collectible. 200 Tron airdrop starting. Enter Big Now World parcels and complete the sign in, gets booked. And the reason why they're doing all of this is because they want traffic. Look at what I showed you the other time. 17,400 visits this week alone to this particular location, and look at all the visits. All right, so you can go ahead and just sign in, and you'll be airdropped a lot of freebies, right? So same thing here. Like I said, I've showed you all of this anyway. Let me no point repeating myself. And that's it. Cryptoshegz signing out. I wish you all the best in your NFT experience.